I'm Gage Black, and I'm going to the Mayo Clinic in Jacksonville, Florida to be part of their SURF program. And I'm going to be working with Dr. Fryer and Dr. Ebert in their Alzheimer's research lab. And we're going to be working with single-cell RNA sequence data, and we're going to be doing analysis on those, so that kind of sounds like fun. And I'm excited to just learn about the new research that's going on. It's cutting edge research, and it's going to be really cool to get involved with that and to meet lots of new people that are involved in the similar things I am and to be a part of their team. And I'm pretty nervous about all the new things I'll be learning. It's going to be a lot of new tools and algorithms, so that'll be kind of fun. I hope to learn whether this is something that I want to pursue in a PhD or if there's a different route I want to take with this. And also I hope to publish a paper or a poster while I'm out there as we work on a project. And I guess I just kind of expect to have my summer be a little better than this background that's fading away. Not let it fade, but have fun. Because I'm actually in an apartment, not at the beach. Kind of sad. But yeah, I think it's going to be a great experience. And I look forward to working with lots of new people and having a lot of fun. So I'll see you next week, I guess.
So I've finished my first week here at the Mayo Clinic in Jacksonville, and it's been really cool so far. I have met a lot of really incredible people. I just feel like everybody around me is super smart. Like, they are just very smart. Where I'm sitting, there's somebody with a PhD, and then Gage, and so I think, wow, I really need to get going on my life because these people are super smart around me. But overall, the Mayo Clinic is an amazing place. There's a lot going on all the time, and there's always seminars for us to learn more. And I think I've learned more this past week about my field than I have in some of my classes put together. And it's just been really cool that I have these mentors that are willing to help me and make sure I'm doing all right. So it's been cool. I'm excited about the project we started. It's working with single cell data that's pretty new, cutting edge stuff. So it's been pretty cool to learn about that. And yeah, my mentors have been great, and the other interns are awesome. I'm excited to get to know them better. So far we're good. We'll see you next week.
Well, I'm still alive out here in Jacksonville, and things have been going well, getting more used to the programs I'm working with and getting more into the data, which has been fun. And I've had some cool opportunities to meet with my mentor and just talk with him one-on-one about possible career options, I guess, and things I can do from here as soon as I graduate from BYU. And it's been cool hearing his perspective and kind of seeing what my options are and thinking of things in ways I hadn't thought of before. So that's been really cool. And also I realized that my PI out here is he sits on the chair of admissions for the graduate school here at the Mayo Clinic. So that is also going to be a great experience for me to talk with him. But yeah, overall, it's a beautiful place here. And kind of show you the area. I just really enjoy the weather's really nice. The humidity's really nice. My skin feels great. And overall, the interns have been great. We've been doing some stuff together, and it's been a great experience so far, and I have continued to learn. So this week I kind of hope to get some results going from my research. It's something that I've been setting up the programs for the past couple, I guess, 2 weeks now, and so it's time to get some results and make stuff happen. So we'll see how that goes. So this is the building I work in here at the Mayo Clinic. It's pretty cool. I enjoy it, especially warm days like today. The AC is really nice. So it's a beautiful place here. It's a nice little place to sit. And this week I got to hold a brain, which is pretty cool. We were doing a brain cutting to get more samples, and they let us hold it for a second, and that was the first time I've ever held a brain, so that was pretty cool. I have been learning a lot about problem solving. Things in bioinformatics usually don't go the way you want it to the first time, I've realized. So I've been working a lot with that, trying to figure out how to overcome some things to get the results we want. And it's been good because my mentor's there to kind of help me through different things. He looks at things in a different way that I do, and it helps me to have a good idea of where I can go next. And
yeah, it's a good patience building experience. But another cool experience I had this week was talking with my mentor about graduate school and his opinions and things I could do to be ready for that. It's something I haven't really looked into a lot recently, and I'm realizing it's something I can start working on even while I'm here and going to a conference this summer for Alzheimer's research. He just gave me a couple of techniques I can use and different things I can do to meet people and help me get prepared for graduate school and things to look for. So that's been great as well. But yeah, things are still going well out here. It's beautiful, as you can tell, and we'll see how it goes.
This past week has been a good experience to learn about how things in the science world just don't always go the way you would hope, and sometimes projects don't really work out like you are hoping. And last week I mentioned how we were trying to work through some problems and make different things happen, and we kind of just realized that the data we were working with just wasn't going to work out for us. And so we decided to take a new direction this week and work on some new things. So that's kind of exciting. Just about halfway through the program, so the second half we'll be able to work on new things, and hopefully it'll work out a little better this time. Instead of working with single-cell RNA sequence data, we're just going to go to bulk RNA sequence data and look for things in that data set instead. So hopefully it'll be a good experience. Hopefully it'll work out a little better. But it's still been a really good learning opportunity for me. I've been able to work with a lot of different tools and see how a lot of different aspects of the research works, and it's been good. And other than that, we've been having a good week. We a couple of the interns and we went out and saw some of the sites around here, saw some fireworks, so that's always fun. And it's really hot, but the air conditioning is really nice here. I mentioned that last week. It's another really hot day today, but yeah, so things are going well, and we'll see how it goes.
When I'm not working, I really enjoy my hammock. It's really nice, especially on nights like tonight. Fantastic sunset, beautiful. This week was the 4th of July. Was pretty fun. We went and watched the fireworks by the pier, and it seems like half of Florida all went to the beach, so that was kind of fun. Met all kinds of fun people there. It was different celebrating the 4th of July without my family there. We were all of us interns went and had a good time, and it was fun. I have been able to get a lot done this week as well on my new project, which has been good. I've been able to kind of push things along. I'm realizing I only have a few weeks left. I think about 4.5 weeks left of my internship, and so it's starting to get crunch time. We're trying to get things done quickly so that we can get some presentations together and hopefully work on a paper as well, as long as everything goes as we hope. But it's been a great experience out here. I've really come to grow close to some of the other interns and really learn from them. They're really amazing people, and they go to school at some really amazing places. And so I've realized there's a lot to learn from them and their experiences, as well as the other mentors around the Mayo Clinic, or just the other grad students, or even just the technicians that are here. There's a lot to learn, and it's something that I've realized that every day that I just try to learn something new, I can find something, whatever it is. And so that's something I've really appreciated, in addition to these sunsets, because, like, just look at that. Yeah, I know. But it's been good. It's crazy. It's already starting to wind down and past my halfway mark a couple days ago. So I'll just keep going hard, and hopefully things will work out well.
I had the opportunity this week to take a short little break from the Mayo Surf program and fly out to Chicago with other members of the Callaway Lab at BYU. And we were able to attend AAIC, which is the Alzheimer's Association International Conference. So there was all kinds of researchers from all over the world that gathered together in Chicago this week, and we basically went to different sessions every day. Went to about 3 or 4 different sessions where they had a bunch of talks, and then they had a poster session. And it was a really cool opportunity for me to get more involved in Alzheimer's research and kind of see what's going on in the world and what kind of things are happening, and kind of see where I could be possibly in the next 10, 15 years. It's the first time I've ever been to a conference like that, so it was really cool to kind of see how people come together to really progress research in a specific field and such a specific topic like Alzheimer's. Chicago was a really cool place. I really enjoyed it. We had a lot of deep dish pizza, lots of deep dish. I really liked it a lot. And we went to a Cubs game, which was really cool. What else? We just explored the city almost every night because we'd go to the conference from about 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and then spend the rest of the night walking around the downtown and looking at all the different sites. And it was really cool. I was able to spend 5 or 6 days there and just got back. So I've got 1 week left here at the Mayo Clinic, and it's crazy that it's already time to wrap things up and head home. So I guess next time I see you, I'll be done. Just kind of sad. So I'll see you then.
Today was my last day at the Mayo Clinic as part of the surf program, and it's crazy to think that 10 weeks have already gone by and it's over. I have really enjoyed this summer. I have learned a lot of amazing things, and being here at the Mayo Clinic has really taught me a lot. Today we were able to have our final presentations with all of the other interns, and during these presentations I was able to see all of the cool things that all of the interns were able to do. I was also able to present my own work, which was really cool. I was able to present on the single-cell RNA sequence analysis that I was doing throughout most of the summer. And I realized that preparing for presentations like that, that's basically like when it all comes together for you. It's when things really start to click, and you have to really you have to understand what you're doing and what the reason is behind everything in order to present it to other people. So that was a really good experience preparing for that presentation so that I personally could learn more about it, even though it was what I was working on all summer. But yeah, overall, just the internship, the whole experience out here in Jacksonville, Florida has been absolutely incredible. I have really learned what it's like to be a bioinformatician, which is new to me. It's been my major at BYU, but I feel like now that I've had real working experience, I can have a better idea of what it would be like to do this work after I graduate, which is something I really needed, I think. It helps me have a better idea of what I want to do with my life, which has been really my biggest goal this summer, is to try to figure out what I want to do after I graduate. And I can pretty confidently say now that I have a better idea and actually some goals that I want to work towards after I graduate, and things I want to happen. During this internship, I really relied a lot on my mentors, both Dr. Ebert and Dr. Fryer. They were really great mentors for me. They were very patient with the things when I just didn't really know what was going on sometimes, and they were really good at explaining things clearly to make sure I understood. And I feel like this helped me realize that it's okay that I don't know everything. Sometimes I get frustrated with myself when I don't know the answer to something or I can't figure something out, but they helped me realize that it is a process, just working through problems and finding answers and making things happen. And that was a really good learning opportunity for me. And I feel like through just lots of little experiences like that, I was able to learn how to really problem solve in this field, and just to make things happen, figure out how to make programs work and get data to get it analyzed the way you want it to. And ultimately that's what this field's all about, and that's what they pushed me to do. And I think my expectations for this program were I was hoping just to have a good experience, to learn more about bioinformatics, learn more about what it's like to do research. But I think this summer really
exceeded all of my expectations. I learned a whole lot more than I ever thought I could. I saw way more about the world of research than I thought I would, and I think I have a very good idea now of what that would be like for me. So ultimately, I think this is really one of the best experiences I've had for my life academically, and it's really helped me to put in perspective what my life could look like next year after I graduate, which is coming up very quickly. So I'm very grateful for everybody here at the Mayo Clinic and for all of the donors and for this internship program. It's been a really an amazing experience, and I really hope that next year there'll be more students from BYU that apply for the same program here, the SURF program at the Mayo Clinic, so that more people can have the same experience that I did and learn all these amazing things. So thank you.